What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we're taking a good look at SUI. As you can see right here, SUI has been doing very well. It's been holding on very, very well. Now, SUI has been going according to plan. Yes, it has been going according to plan in the sense that it's followed this prediction right here. But though it followed this prediction right here, it doesn't change one thing for SUI, and that one thing is that when SUI might come crashing, it might come crashing like an avalanche. It might drop like crazy. So this is what I'm afraid for each and every one of us. Now, imagine SUI is being manipulated at the moment. Yeah, because obviously the developers or the people behind this definitely know that if SUI should break below this, everybody would want to capitulate by like selling off a whole lot of their positions in their futures position. So they won't want it to come crashing down immediately. Yes. So what they'll be doing is they'll be kicking people, they'll be sending people out of the market little by little, because a lot of people placed stop losses here. So obviously they've liquidated a lot of people, they've sent people away. So now people want to short SUI. People want to short SUI. They won't let people get the short, because if there should be massive shorting of SUI will have to drop. See, look, SUI can drop as low as 0.2 to 0.23. Sorry, I wanted to like cough. SUI can drop that low. So now they will have to think on how they could strategically make SUI go down without people not having to feel like, oh, it was a pump and a dump. That is what I would say. So that is the reason why you are getting this spike here. The fact that you are seeing on the daily time frame, you are getting a spike this long, you are getting a spike that long, and you are getting a spike this long right here. It only means one thing: people are ready to sell. And the fact that people are ready to sell, people are buying. So the buying power right now is more than the selling power, which doesn't make sense. Because honestly speaking, SUI is meant to come down. Because if we come to the 4 hours time frame, you could see that from this particular point right here, after it broke below here, it was really ready to retest and corner. Because if you look at the volumes, the volume here was really, really low. The volumes here were very, very low. And even after it broke out of here, it still came all the way down. So even when it got here, there was still a lot of buying orders here. It tried going up, but the selling order is the selling pressure is more than the buying power. Honestly speaking, the selling power is more than the buying power. Now it has broken the resistance again. But one thing you should definitely know for sure is that I think, let me try something out here. I think we are getting a lower lows and lower highs right here. So I would say this should be one of the ways you should trade SUI. If SUI managed to break above this resistance right here with a retest here, with a retest and a confirmation, then I would say, okay, maybe SUI has decided to use this level, use $3.29 as a good support for the meantime. For the meantime, the buyers and the sellers have decided that this is a good support for SUI. But if SUI doesn't, and SUI keeps getting moves like this, then I would say you just have to sell SUI, because SUI is still going down, irrespective of the fact that it is not going down drastically. The fact that it is not going down as fast as it should is simply because it's being manipulated, and it's being manipulated for a good reason, left to me. For a good reason. This is not like a mantra manipulation or layer manipulation or alpaca or alpaca manipulation, or all those random coins manipulation. This is a healthy manipulation, left to me, because obviously the developers don't want, or the people behind this project SUI don't want it to come crashing that crazy. Because if SUI should come crashing down crazy, there's a lot of imbalance down here for SUI to crash a lot. So I think they're trying to control how SUI gets dumped, because by the time you open a short position on SUI, let me say from this position right here, or from this position right here, for like days, and at the end of the day, you are, instead of you to make some good number of profits, taking some profits probably here to here, you are still having back and forth. And a lot of people don't have patience in terms of trading crypto. People don't have patience. Because of people don't have patience for that, people tend to exit their trade. People tend to exit their trade, especially people with high leverage. So they exit their trade, go looking for something else to trade. So that is just how it is. So I would say, yeah, that's just all I have to say, because the volume right now in the 4 hours time frame is decent. The volume right now is decent. I'll say that the volume is coming from the people behind it, mostly the people behind it, not really the user, not really the user. So that's just all I have to say. So yeah, without wasting much of your time, my previous prediction in my previous video is still counts. It's either we are getting this move or we're getting this move. Now we are getting this move right here. So this is just what I want each and every one of us to understand. So yeah, I am really grateful if you like this video, subscribe and turn on post notification, share this video with your friends. If you do enjoy this content and this kind of content or this kind of market analysis, I would really do appreciate that. So yeah, that's all I have to say, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful week. And also, if you're a trader, you look for platforms to trade, links are down below. Use the link below on buybitgate.io and Weex. Sign up and start trading. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful